Alright, so the video y'all about to watch is of, obviously, us fishing at the river. There's a big catfish in this video. And hope y'all enjoy. I forgot to make an intro at the beginning of this video. So, hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next one. There we go. Little one. Yeah, that works. There we go. What is it? Oh, yeah. There we go.
Something home.
You got one?
No.
Look, bluegill. Little bluegill. There we go. My reel's locked up. There you go. There we go. A little red breast. There you go. A little red breast. I think it's a gar. Nope. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Put it into a stud right now. I just want to know what it is. That's a stud of a fish. I'm trying to look. I can't see nothing. He's going straight to that tree right there. No, he's not. What is it? Why can't it just be like a stud over there? Oh my God, Mason.
What is it?
Mason.
A gar?
I don't know. If that's a bass, it's like a 10-pounder. Dude!
What is that? Catfish?
Catfish, it's catfish.
Get in there.
It's a cat. I ain't got a net. Just fight him slow, Mason, fight him slow. Loosen the drag. Oh my God. If we get this fish in, oh my God. Mason, fight him slow. There is not, that's the biggest catfish I've ever seen in this river. Mason, fight him slow. Mason. Fight him slow. Oh my God, dude. We got a stud catfish.
Don't grab the line.
I got it.
You got something to get him with?
No. Come on, please.
Grab me one.
Ow, you bit my dang arm.
Here.
Yeah, him too. How do you work these things?
Pull it back.
Okay, come on.
Here, just grab him under the gill. There, now pick him up. No way. Oh my God, Cody. Cody. Oh.
Alright, there he is. We can get a weight on him real quick. Hey, hook it on.
Hold it up real quick. So I can get it up.
That's at least, I'm gonna say.
A 10-pounder.
Yeah, something like that. When I first seen him, I thought it was a bass. I was like, oh my God. Mason, hook it on the little red string right there.
Alright.
What is it?
10-6.
Yep, 10-6. I got one. Oh yeah, that's a nice little one. Up the chow. Yeah. Mason's hooked up on another gar, or on a gar.
Something.
We thought the catfish was a gar, but no, actually it's a catfish. That's a turtle.
Turtle?
Yep. I don't know what it is. We're about to find out. This right here. Another big catfish. No, a mudfish.
No, it's a catfish.
It's a mudfish, I think, ain't it?
That's a catfish.
It is?
No, it's a mudfish.
Here's a mudfish. A big mudfish.
Bring it in.
I can't, Mason. Get your line out the way.
He died.
He died?
What's the boat called?
What the heck? I'm pulling backwards. No, we don't.
Cool. Big old pretty red breast.
Oh, yeah, he is pretty. There you go. That's a cool one. He's taking drag. Get over here.
How far was it? Really?
Not far. It's a big red breast, I'm telling you.
The pretty one. That's the same one I just caught.
Put him in here.
God almighty.
Start of a brim.